It's June 21st, 2026. Welcome to yes2hellwith.com. It's Father's Day, and today millions of Americans will celebrate fathers, grandfathers, and the men who shaped their lives. They will gather with family, share stories, exchange gifts, remember the sacrifices made on their behalf, and rightly so. But Father's Day should also cause us to reflect upon a deeper responsibility, a responsibility that extends far beyond providing food, shelter, and opportunity. The responsibility to pass on history, because every generation inherits freedom, but no generation is guaranteed to keep it. The liberties we enjoy today did not appear by accident. They were purchased through sacrifice, protected through vigilance, and preserved through understanding. They were transmitted from one generation to the next. And those transmissions are one of the most important duties a father and grandfather can perform, because children are not born understanding liberty. They are not born understanding government or rights, power, history, or the lessons of previous generations. Someone must teach them. Someone must explain what came before. Someone must tell them why freedom matters and what happens when it is lost. History demonstrates a simple truth. Most societies do not lose their liberties overnight. Freedom rarely disappears in a single dramatic event. Instead, it erodes gradually. One generation forgets, the next generation accepts. The following generation assumes things have always been that way. And eventually the memory of what once was normal disappears entirely. That is why fathers matter. That is why grandfathers matter. They are not merely providers, they are custodians of memory. They are the bridge between what was and what will be. A father who teaches his children where their rights came from protects them. A grandfather who explains the sacrifices of previous generations protects them. A family that remembers history is far less likely to surrender liberty without noticing, because freedom survives when its story survives, and liberty endures when its lessons are passed forward. Perhaps that is one of the greatest gifts a father can leave behind. Not money, not property, not possessions, but understanding, an understanding of history, an understanding of freedom, of the responsibilities required to preserve both. As America approaches the 250th anniversary of the Republic, perhaps Father's Day is the perfect time to ask ourselves a simple question. What history are we passing to our children? What lessons are we teaching our grandchildren? Are we preparing them to preserve the freedoms they inherited? Because if fathers and grandfathers fail to pass forward the lessons of history, future generations may lose liberties they never understood and therefore never knew how to defend. The future of the Republic depends not only upon politicians, judges, or institutions, and we should not rely upon them much at all. It depends upon fathers, upon grandfathers. It depends upon families willing to remember and willing to teach. And as always, may truth reign supreme.